I know we've talked about how great it is to watch movies on an OLED 65-inch TV screen, but what if we watched movies on a wall? Hear me out, I swear you're gonna love this. Hi everyone, I'm Devin Howard, on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. In this series, we take a look at a lot of the highest end products available on Newegg.com, but sometimes it's fun to go back to the basics. So let's discuss the Crosstour P600S mini portable projector. Broadcasting your favorite show or movie on a fancy, ultra bright TV screen is always a fun experience, but there's something cozy about snuggling up and projecting what you're watching onto the wall of your bedroom. The Crosstour P600S mini portable projector is a budget-friendly cinematic projector that broadcasts a 176-inch picture on whatever surface you want, giving you the freedom to experience your favorite shows, movies, and games outside of your living room. If you want to watch movies from bed or in a room that doesn't have a TV, a projector is a super fun way to do that. So let's dive in. It's time to unbox this. Here we have the remote. Here we have the power cord. Here we have your HDMI cord. This is your tripod stand. And these are all your video cables. Okay, so here is the projector, you guys. It's pretty small, so I can definitely see why they call this a portable projector. It's not too heavy. You could really easily take this with you from one place to another. This is the user manual, and here's a little thank you card. Well, that's everything that comes in the box. Let's set this up and get into the details. I'm a sucker for a good big screen TV, but I'm also someone who appreciates good home design, and sometimes a massive screen isn't going to give your room the best look. I absolutely love watching shows and movies in bed, but I don't have a TV in my bedroom. That's where the Crosstour P600S portable projector comes in. With this projector, you'll get super vivid images. It uses the latest LCD 4.0 projection technology, giving you picture quality that can compete with your standard television screen. In comparison to other projectors, contrast ratio, color saturation, and brightness are higher than 80% of other projectors with the same resolution, so you're getting an effective one at a great price. It's equipped with dual stereo speakers and surround sound. You can also connect speakers via a 3.5mm audio jack. The innovative cooling system isn't noisy. Noise suppression technology cuts fan noise in half, less than 36 decibels when you're 1 meter away from it. You can project a 176-inch picture onto the wall of your bedroom or an outdoor fence or a large screen, whatever you want. Watch your favorite movies when you're snuggling in bed or when you're relaxing in a hot tub outside. The beauty of a device like this is that it frees you up to entertain yourself in a number of different places. It's compatible with Fire Stick and PlayStation 5. It also has an HDMI port and USB connectivity. If you're looking for a unique way to cozy up and tune into your favorite shows, the Crosstour P600S mini portable projector is a great place to start. Check it out at the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!